Your what's happening? What it do, my people? So it's your boy ChanceJolivette, aka Smooth, back with another video, man. Seems like I ain't did one of these in a long time, man. I ain't did a sneaker video in about a week, about a week and a half, something like that. But the first unboxing of 2022, I bought this way before, like almost not a week before Christmas, but about 3-4 days before Christmas, but it is January 4th. They're just coming into my possession. So this is a site that I've never used before. It's Feature Boutique, and it seems like this is a business out of Vegas. So the story behind this, man, like I could have got these cheaper on eBay. They had an auction. I think they went for like 180, but all the other ones they all going for over retail or whatever. I was waiting for them to drop down in price. I could have got that pair for like 170, 180, but I was trying to get the orange LeBrons, and they were coming out the next day. End up not getting the LeBrons, so I say the hell with it. I looked for these for retail or lower, and I found these. I googled them, and Feature came up. And I looked and seen if it was a reputable site. It looks like it was. And I checked out their business and all that. So I was like, I'm going to order from them. Because they had them on like Foot Locker, Foot Action and stuff. But whenever I tried to check out, they showed the sizes, but they weren't there. They were out. But anyways, I hate whenever somebody do a sneaker video and they take like 8 minutes to show the shoe. So let's get into it. Let's get it. So the box right here. Let's hope this site is A1. This is something that people don't like. People don't like it. People be like, you stupid, why you got these? You should have waited. They would have went down in price. Maybe they might go up. Cause I see these selling out a lot. Online they sold out in all the places. Like, I don't know if in other people's malls or something. In my mall, they're not there. So, Feature, they don't really have too much. They got my address, but see, I don't want you to see too much. I don't know if it's focusing or not, but Feature, they give you a little something. So I guess it can. What is? I don't know. It's a little sticker. To reorder UPS 30. Anyways, let's get it. Got that box right here. Yes sir. Check out the information. The information right there. Hopefully. But okay, women's Air Jordan 11 retro, USD 225, size 11. So this is a 9.5 in men's. And people don't like this shoe. I like it, and I do my how to style videos or something and stuff. I don't know. I just wanted to experiment with this shoe. I wanted to experiment with this one. And I'm an 11 head. I love Jordan 11s. That is my favorite silhouette. So, yes sir. Here they go. Here they go. The Animal Instinct Jordan 11s. So, there you go. And in some pictures I've seen them, they look white. In some pictures I've seen them, they look more like a cream or almost a yellowish kind of color. In hand, they look more, they don't look, it's not white. That upper is not white. It's more of a dark creamish type color. It's not white. But it is this cheetah, leopard, zebra print. This material I have shoes with this already. They have this on some Evo Vapor Max, NRG Evo Vapor Max, something like that. I got like a little bit of this on here. The Hair 2.0, the Hair 7 2.0s, they have this material. Trying to think of what else. I think my Animal Instinct 3s, do they have that on there? I will pull that out. Another reason why I got these as well is because I do have a nice little Animal Instinct collection. So I wanted to go with the collection. Let me see. I do have a few other Animal Instinct joints. I don't know if this necessarily counts as an Animal Instinct, but it's a hair and it has that hairiness to it. So I want to show that one. But I got the Animal Instinct 3s. These were the little safari like print or whatever. Then I have the other ones, and I still haven't worn this to this day other than in a video. And these, I got these. They give me a Louisiana vibe. Like I'm from Louisiana, and they got like that gator and snake and stuff. So that was the meaning of that. And so since I got those, especially these right here, shit, I had to come with this. Check out the back. See the similarity. This is more hairy. This is more hairy than this one right here. But this one does have that hairiness to it, all the way around, like all on the upper and everything like that. But this one is more grainy. The hair is longer. But you see, man, instead of patent leather around, they got that material. So that's crazy. That's crazy right there. The top, the upper, like a new buck, probably. I don't think it's a suede or anything. Probably a new buck, a Dura buck, something like that. That back, it is. It looks it is embossed. It is embossed, but it looks I don't know. It's nice though. I like the way that it is I like the way that it is embossed in the back. That third spacing on there. I love that Jumpman. That Jumpman is like the 72 and 10s. They got a few other the Jubilees. A few other ones have that like plastic type Jumpman right there. I like that. I like whenever they do stuff like that. I really like whenever they stitch the back, but these aren't stitched as well. But these don't seem regular. These don't seem like the regular sticker joint. It seems like a, I don't know, like this is rubber or something, like a light rubber. But it feel like if you took a knife, you could pull it up and it would be like hanging or something. I don't know. It feel weird, but I like it though. I like it. Them black thick laces, you know how they do with the 11s. White midsole. Got the carbon fiber. Let's see. Carbon fiber, pretty nice on there. And at the bottom, they got this smoked out sole. So I like that. I will be doing a how to style video with these, like just as far as like my suggestions or just things I feel like I want to try out, because even looking on here, they have the hypermodel. She did a video, but it is female, and she the only one that did like some style type stuff with the shoe, and that's a female. Like you don't see any dudes really doing anything with it. Like I seen like a few pictures on IG, but nothing too special or anything. So I just wanted to drop my version or whatever. I wish I'd had these a little earlier. Like the hype around these probably has died and this and that. Like even the resale isn't crazy. The resale isn't it's a little bit over retail depending on your size, but it's, I don't think these are hitting outlets and stuff yet. They might. So maybe I jumped the gun. because I got these for retail plus tax and all that, you know. But so maybe I did a stupid thing, maybe I didn't. You don't know. Maybe these might shoot up. I think they will shoot up later on because they are 11s. They are 11, so 11s, they always gonna shoot up eventually. So eventually these might be 3 something or whatever, but that's not really why I bought them. I bought these because I want to wear these. I want to wear these like somewhere, and I just want to see if somebody's head turn or something. Those are interesting. But so that is my thought process why I got these, man. It kind of was like a Christmas gift to myself because I was trying to get those orange LeBrons and had no luck with those. I still will be trying to get those at some point. The other LeBrons, they have other LeBron 19s that you could get under retail, like on StockX, but that's not the ones I want. I already bought Space Jam socks and stuff months ago to go with the orange 19s. I will get those orange 19s, but I just don't want to pay crazy prices for them. But if I can get them for a decent, and I got to get some more money in my pockets, I shall. Damn, holidays kick my ass, man. Food, I hate the holidays. Next year, ain't nobody getting shit. But like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and most hated man on foot. Peace. Oh, and on the on foot, I'm gonna play a recent song. If you want to hear the whole thing, comment below. Comment below and let me know if y'all want to hear the whole thing. If y'all want me to post it on my channel. Okay. Yeah. Peace.
Nigga feeling like I'm about to cash out. Go long on your bitch like a pass route. Make fun of me, nigga, not laugh now. Used to be the man, now you crashed out. I'm the one of these niggas gon' brag about. Could've been in the team that you asked out. You full of that dope that you passed out. They say I'm an animal cash cow. They hate when you get in the cash now. They wonder why nigga gon' spaz out. Cause if they see you shining, they lash out. Get yourself together, they mad now. Look at the mad now. Your friends be your enemies. Dodging negative energy. Don't rap, this is a symphony. Mad, they wanna send for me. I do this shit on my own. Won't ask no one to send for me. I've been a killer to the 10th degree. I'm just talking music, my nigga. But watch how them haters gon' snitch on me. If you're not a day one, you ain't shit to me. I've been a king, where is my throne? Shooting like Curry, I've been in my zone. Move just like zero, so leave me alone. Niggas don't love you until you were gone. I've been a king, where is my throne? Shooting like Curry, I've been in my zone. Move just like zero, so leave me alone. Niggas don't let you until you are gone. They gotta say that I'm the hardest. Get on tracks, I go retarded. You done borrowed your style, I made it my own. Like I'm the one that thought it. Niggas that win and bought it. Then they swearing that they are an artist. Just cause you charted right when you started, don't mean that when you will finish that you be the nigga. I'm doing this shit to get in the position and finish my mission. Don't care about attention, I'm on a collision with success. At your lowest, they say that you so blessed. Materializing generational wealth, it will make everything better. But end of the day, I think that it will help. Tired of poverty, catching my breath. If I am stopping me, aiming at chest. Bodies on bodies, I hope I ain't next. Don't know the future, so I ain't gon' stress. Every just struggle like Russian roulette. God must have warned me, he ain't took me yet. Now this nigga's a vet. Ain't put attention when I was down and at my lowest point. Now I have more than a threat. I've been a king, where is my throne? Shooting like Curry, I've been in my zone. Move just like zero, so leave me alone. Niggas don't love you until you were gone. I've been a king, where is my throne? Shooting like Curry, I've been in my zone.